Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video, I'm going to show you the challenge for the What Can You Create Drawing project. So the challenge is that you can only use these types of blocks to create something interesting. For instance, maybe you'll make something like this using this kind of code with any kind of event that you want. So you can add in a bunch more different sprites if you like. You can make 100 of these, 20 of these, 1,000 of these, 7 of these, whatever, any number of those with any kind of event. So maybe you'll make it so when you press a green flag, it does one thing, and when you click on the sprite, it does a different thing. When you press a specific key, it does a different thing. That's up to you. So your goal is to experiment with it. Now, if you get stuck and you're not sure what to do, there is a quick reference guide that helps you out with this. So the one that's called Scratch Tips, Drawing Shapes. So in here, it shows you how to add in the blocks for the pen in case you don't have them. Yay, new blocks. And it gives you a general idea of something that you can do to get started with drawing shapes. So you can read through this part, check out this order, and look at the examples that are in here. So for instance, if you want to figure out how to draw a square, you can try and guess, and then it shows you the answer on here. Now, as you scroll down to this, you'll notice that there are some more complicated shapes in here that show you some really cool things that you can end up drawing with Scratch. And if you'd like to experiment with some more complicated things, maybe you can add in some different variables that allow you to draw shapes like you see on the screen. So in this challenge, have some fun experimenting with these different blocks and any kind of event that you would like in your What Can You Create Drawing Challenge. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.